Hello everyone, this is Resilience Coach Jean Morrison with DIY Resilience. I wish you safe and healthy wherever you are in the world today. Now this stress relief post will focus on quick grounding techniques to help you redirect panic to calm as quickly as possible. In times of high stress or chronic stress, these tools will help you to get from panic to calm more quickly right now and could even save your life. At the first sign of panic, be willing to stop what you're doing immediately. If you were listening to news, turn it off. If working, take a break. Calm first before anything else. If you're driving and it's safe to do so, pull over for your safety and for that of others. It's more important to calm now than to arrive on time. Now, try any and all of the following techniques, and if one doesn't work, just go on to the next. This is an opportunity to care enough about your mental health to keep trying until you are calm. Now remember, it's hard to remember what to do when you're in a state of panic. So open your notepad on your phone or write these tips down for when you really need them. The first tip is walk forward and count backwards. Start at 100 and go from there. You might try pushing hard on a wall, a floor, or a steering wheel. Put attention on the connection. Describe all the colors in your environment in great detail. See and listen to the big picture. Invite yourself to really feel what's going on around you, beyond your physical body. Touch and describe textures. Are they bumpy, soft, flat, furry? Taste something very sour. Drink water very slowly. How does it feel in your mouth? How does it feel in your body? Yell or sing really loudly. Take others in your environment into account, but focus on healing yourself also. Take up space. Sit, lie down, or stand and send a message to your brain that you matter. Breathe in for 8 counts, out for 8, and slow down. Connect to others, especially with someone who will understand what you're experiencing right now without judgment. Some people have found that tea, CBD, and L-theanine may help you to calm naturally and are available over the counter. Once calm, consider what caused the panic and identify what you can do for next time or what you can eliminate now to allow more consistent balance in your life. And if you're serious about learning how to create more consistent balance in your life, check out the upcoming events page on my website at DIYresilience.com and sign up for my next free event. If you're eager to start now, and want to explore one-on-one coaching or other possible solutions, go to diyresilience.com/help, fill out the form, and click to submit. I'll connect with you and help you on your way to a more balanced life. Glad to be of help today. Now go and rest and enjoy the rest of your day.